Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine at your home. So stay at your home and be healthy. Yes dear kids, today's date is 16th May 2020 and I am Manpreet Kaur from the SST teacher from California Public School. Yes dear kids, in the previous video of 5th class, we have to discuss about some European explorers. Now, in this video, we have to discuss about the advancement in science and technology. Let us read about some inventions and discoveries that brought about the further changes in transportation. Which discoveries and the inventions brought changes in the transportation system? Firstly, they have to invent the steam engine. After the wheel, the invention of steam engine was the second greatest event in the history of transportation. कहते स्टीम इंजन की इन्वेंशन से जो हिस्ट्री में ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में थी वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा चेंज आई. फर्स्टली चेंज कम्स विद द व्हील. द स्टीम इंजन वाज इन्वेंटेड इन द 7th century, was improved by the James Watt in the 18th century. The steam engine firstly invented in the 7th century. After that, improved by the James Watt in the 18th century. कहते 18th century में इसको improved किया गया. The Watt steam engine was more efficient and came to be widely used to power machines in the industries. कहते steam engine काफ़ी ज़्यादा efficient था, ज़रूरी था और काफ़ी यूज़ किया जाता था in power machines, industries में. It also paved the way for using the steam engines in the transportation. कहते उसके बाद एक वे था जो steam engine था, we have to use in the transportation to run the trains. They have to make it. Steam engine locomotive was built in the 19th century. कहते 19th century में इससे vehicles बनाने start हुई. Later, George Stephen built one of the most successful early steam locomotives that was used to power the first train. कहते उसके बाद वो locomotive vehicles में use किया गया और उसकी first train में they have to fit the steam engine. Trains linked towns and cities. जो trains थी वो towns और cities को आपस में link करती थी, जोड़ती थी. As rail travel was cheap, people could afford to travel by trains. कहते जो रेल्स है वो चीप थी, सस्ती थी और जो लोग थे वो अफोर्ड करते थे कि वो ट्रेन से एक जगह से दूसरी जगह चले जाएं. The first steam powered boat was invented by the Robert Fulton in the 19th century. कहते पहले बोट बनाएगी स्टीम पावर्ड किसने? रॉबर्ट फ्लूटन ने 19th century में. स्टीम बोट्स revolutionized travel throughout Europe and enable goods to transport much faster. कहते इससे जो क्या था पूरे यूरोप में it would be revolutionized and transport the goods much faster. Next is discovery of petroleum. Now all of you know that every vehicle mostly runs with the petroleum or the diesel. So discovery of petroleum is a great change in the transportation system. The 19th century witnessed the discovery of crude oil or petroleum. कहते 19th century witness है कि उस दिन crude oil और पेट्रोलियम की डिस्कवरी हुई. The use of petrol and diesel powered engines made it possible for the wide range of vehicles such as cars, buses, trucks, bikes can be manufactured. With the discovery of petroleum, we have to use it and we have to make the engine-based vehicles who are run by the petrol or diesel, like cars, buses, trucks, bikes. All these are run with the diesels or the petroleum. Across the world, these vehicles made traveling easier and faster than ever before. कहते इससे जो वर्ल्ड में जो व्हीकल्स की ट्रैवलिंग है वो ईजियर होगी और फास्टर होगी. In 1903, the Wright brothers Orville and Wilbur conducted the first successful short distance aeroplane flight. They have to make the aeroplanes like this one. The aircraft had the petrol engine. उसका इंजन क्या था? पेट्रोल था. By the mid-20th century, jet airplanes were carrying passengers between the continents and across the oceans in the matter of hours. और उसके बाद उन्होंने जेट एयरप्लेन्स बना लिए. Those are carrying the passengers between the continents and across the oceans. Next is use of electricity. How we have to use the electricity in the transportation system. With time, locomotives powered by the electricity. As you know that so many trains in India as well as in the world run by the electricity. The first electric passenger train ran in the late 19th century. कहते 19th century के एंड में फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रिक पैसेंजर ट्रेन स्टार्ट हुई थी. Electric locomotives proved to be much more efficient and economically than the steam engines. As we have to compare with the steam engine, it would be efficient, easy, and we have to easily find out. Gradually by the 1980s, steam engine locomotives were replaced by the engines powered by the electricity. कहते 1980s में जो स्टीम से चलने वाले थे इंजन्स और व्हीकल्स डेट वर रिप्लेस्ड, उनको खत्म कर दिया और उनके जगह इंजन्स बना दिए डेट आर रन बाय द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो नेक्स्ट इज सम अदर फैक्टर्स डेट हेल्प इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में और कौन कौन से फैक्टर हमें हेल्प करते हैं उसकी डेवलपमेंट में. ओवर द ईयर्स ह्यूमन बिल्ट एन एक्सटेंसिव नेटवर्क ऑफ रोड्स. कहते जैसी जैसी ईयर्स हो रहे हैं जो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स है वो रोड्स का नेटवर्क बना रहे हैं. नॉट ओनली द रोड्स, रेलवेज आल्सो, expressways connecting towns, cities and even the countries. Now their road network is too much vast. They have to connect the town, cities, even the country to countries. Some of the fastest trains have been designed by the Japan. So Japan in the transportation too much fast in advanced science and technology. France and China. Shanghai Miglale train of China to the Shinkansen's bullet train of Japan and the TGV train of France are the amongst fastest in the world. कहते ये ट्रेन्स हैं पूरे वर्ल्ड में बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट चलती हैं. वाटरवेज आर चीपर देन द अदर मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. वाटरवेज सस्ता है दूसरे ट्रांसपोर्टेशन से. The construction of the Suez Canal and the Panama Canal has reduced the travel time between the Europe and Asia. Suez Canal और Panama Canal से जो ट्रैवलिंग टाइम है यूरोप से एशिया का वो कम हो गया. Today a large network of air routes connect the whole world. कहते एयरवे से भी हमारा पूरे वर्ल्ड को कनेक्ट किया गया है. Air transport has become a popular mode of travel. Now it's an important mode of transportation is the air transportation. So dear students, in this video we have to discuss about the advanced science and technology advantages. So that is our the chapter finish. You have to listen it carefully and understand it. Take care. Bye bye.